Howdy folks, TJ here. I have an unboxing today, and I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Gordon Taylor. He is over in the UK, and he messaged me a while back and said, hey, I want to send you a little package, and what's your address? And what arrived here recently was this cool tube, and I've already took the liberty of taking some of this off, because it took me about 5 minutes. He packs really good. Not only was there tape on this tube to hold it all in, there's this, but it was held in with tape and staples. So I worked it and finally got it undone. So very good packing. It survived the trip over here to the United States. So here's all the carcass from that. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of empty the tube on the table and see what it is that he sent me. I have no clue. So let's shimmy it out. And it's heavy. It's like a little weight in here. All right, so I've got a tube of stuff. Let's fold it open and see what we got here. So the first thing that pops out, hey, cool. So this is a Sinclair ZX Spectrum with a little hooky on the back, and it's got for address. So I would say this is going to be perfect for when I go on traveling trade shows, once the virus is over, of course. I can put my little tag here on my suitcase. Very cool. Awesome. At first I thought it was a key fob, but then I go, no, there's a name and address thing on the back. So awesome. Very cool. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is bitchin'. This is kick-ass bitchin'. I'm kind of building out a little bit of a man cave in my office. I do share it with my wife, so I guess it's a he-she cave. I don't know what you call it. She owns 50% of what I own. I'm in California. It's a 50-50 state. Oh, this is cool. This is a banner. Oh, this is so kick-ass. I'm going to have to take some things down in my office to show this off. Let's see if I can somehow get this unfolded a little bit. A Sinclair banner. Woo! That is so cool. This is definitely going to hang up in my home office where I have all my Sinclair computers. It's got grommet holes on each corner. Heck, even if I like go camping, we go camping 2 weeks out of the year every year. And so maybe I'll have to take this along with me, and it'll be Camp Sinclair, and have it all out in our little old retro type of camper. That is so cool. That is awesome. All right, cool. Continue on here. See if I can get all this stuff kind of still in the camera shot, because I think the camera's kind of cutting off right around there. And it looks like some magazines. Your Spectrum, which I don't think I have read a Your Spectrum yet, so that's cool. I've got quite a few magazines that I've been starting to collect, but I don't believe I've ever had a Your Spectrum yet. So Your Spectrum and Sinclair User. Bonk. Oh. Everything's still got wrapped up. It was in a tube. This is awesome. Thank you very much, Gordon. That is very kind of you. I had no clue. I figured the little poster tube said something about banner, but I thought maybe that's just generic for, yeah, you put magazines in there. So to actually have a banner that says Sinclair, that is so cool. So thank you very much. I'm going to go ahead and edit the video and get it all up online as soon as I can. And thank you again very much for this very nice gift from overseas to this bloke in the United States that has fallen in love with Sinclair, the crazy person I am. Thank you very much. See ya.